Hey guys, so today we'll be changing the Dyson body. So my v10 has stopped working. If you're under warranty, you normally get 2 years guarantee. If you register with Dyson as soon as you purchase, they'll replace any parts for free. Very good service, I must say. I didn't have to show any proof. I just had to tell them what was the symptoms, and they gave me a rough solution. So in this case, my Dyson, as you can see, if I press the power button, it just flashes battery, but it doesn't show any other indicator, any of these having any issue. So this Dyson's completely gone. So what they've said is that it's most likely the main body itself that's gone. So what I'll need to do is remove the battery pack, the filter at the back, and the front housing, what holds the mess. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do this. So first, let's just remove the new body out the way, and then with this, so first we need to do is the easy parts is just pull this tab, pull it forward. Once you've pulled it forward, you see a little arrow tab here. Just need to push down on that, and that allows you to remove the body, or sorry, the bin. So you keep that to one side. Now looking at this, what else do we need? We need the battery pack itself and the air filter. So the air filter is another easy one. Just twist. So you would twist anti-clockwise and remove out. Fairly straightforward. The last one is the battery itself. There is 2 Phillips screws on here. Not sure if I can show you very clearly, but yeah, there's 2 Phillips screws. So I've just got a selection of screws here, and I've just got a screwdriver. So let's just try it. You don't want to destroy the threads on the screws, so you want to make sure it's a good fit. Yeah. So once you're happy with the screw bit, just literally unscrew. It might be better, guys, to just use a manual. I feel like there's too much torque on the electric screwdriver, and it feels like it's going to damage the screws. So guys, what I've discovered is the screws are crap in the Dyson, but what they do provide you with the body is extra screws, which is good. So they must know that they are absolutely rubbish screws, to the point where I have to use pliers now. So what I'll do is I'll skip this process once you get your screws out, and then I'll meet you back. So guys, once you've removed the 2 base screws for the battery still will not come free. There is another screw at the back. So again, it's the same thing. Should be roughly, I'm hoping, the same size. Like so. The body should just slide off. Sorry, the battery should just come off. Like so. So the battery just slides out from the housing. So there's the old one. Now we have the battery, we have the air filter, and we have the bin itself. So all we need to do is reverse process with the new one. So let's first get the battery in place. Should just slide in like so, and you just hear it. Let's just test that it's working. So you can see it light up, and it is now showing that there's no filter. So let's just put the filter on just to make sure that it's all working before we screw it all down. What I would advise is they don't give you any new filters or anything. Just wash the filter as you're waiting for your new body to arrive, and then just slide it in. Just find where it goes and squeeze, and now just test that it works. So that's all working. So that was the issue, was the body. So we can screw it in, or we can just put the main base back on, I'm going to screw it in first just to make sure. So again, you need to put the 2 screws in at the bottom and then on the back. So I'll be back, guys. So guys, once you have all the screws in place, we're pretty much done. We just need to put the air filter back, the bin back in. So again, it's just a reverse process. We just need to line up the bottom lip with the red, and you just literally need to slide it back into place like so, and you hear it click, and then you just push back firm. And again, one last test, and it's fully working, guys. So if you like this quick tutorial on how to repair your Dyson, please like and subscribe, and peace out.